Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy healthy egg rice recipe. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. Rice into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of rice and I'm adding in some water. I'm going to rinse the rice a couple of times or until the water runs clear. Okay, now the rice is rinsed. Next, I'm going to boil some water in a saucepan and I'm soaking the rice till the water boils. I'm adding in some pink Himalayan salt. And once the water boils, reduce the flame to the lowest and then add in the rice. Put the flame on high and allow the water to come to a boil. And once the water boils, just give it a stir. Now, if you have already cooked rice stored in the refrigerator, you can use that instead and it will save a lot more time. While the rice is getting cooked, I'm getting the other ingredients ready. For this egg rice, I'm using very minimal ingredients. I'm using 4 to 5 sprigs of spring onions and I'm thinly chopping the spring onions. I'm keeping aside the white portion. And this green portion I'll be using to garnish the rice. Let's check on the rice. Okay, the rice is 3/4 cooked. So I'm going to strain the rice and keep it aside. I'm also using about 6 to 7 garlic cloves. I'm finely slicing the garlic. Into a bowl, I've added in 4 eggs and I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed. 3/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder and I'm just mixing the eggs lightly. Heat a wok and add in 2 tablespoons wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oils of your choice. Lightly swirl the pan so that the oil is nicely coated all over the pan. Once the oil is heated, add in the chopped garlic cloves. Give it a stir. Once the garlic cloves starts to turn light golden brown, add in the sliced spring onions, the white part of the spring onions. Now if you don't have spring onions at hand, you can use a handful of shallots instead. Give it a stir. The browned garlic will give a nice flavor to the egg rice, almost like a restaurant flavor. The oil will be infused with the garlic flavor. I'm adding in the lightly beaten eggs. Give it a stir. This is a very quick and easy meal for bachelors, hostel students or for those busy people. And once the egg is 3/4 cooked, reduce the flame to the lowest and then add in the strained rice. And mix it really well. Next, add in 1.5 tablespoons of coconut aminos. Now, coconut aminos is a healthier alternative to soy sauce. However, if you don't have coconut aminos, you can use soy sauce. Give it a mix. Some extra salt. 3/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper powder and give it a stir. And lastly, sprinkle in the spring onions, finely chopped spring onions. This will give a nice flavor to the egg rice. However, if you don't have access to green onions, you can totally omit it. And like I mentioned earlier, you can use shallots instead of the white part of the green onion. Turn off the flame and add in 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar for some healthy gut-friendly probiotics. Now when you are using apple cider vinegar, make sure you are using the apple cider vinegar which has the mother. Add the apple cider only after turning off the flame and give it a stir. So guys, do try this egg rice recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.